This new IRCC update could change everything. IRCC has officially updated its rules for restoring temporary resident status, giving foreign nationals more flexibility than ever before. This is not a minor update. For many people, this could mean staying in Canada legally instead of starting over. Key highlights: temporary residents now have more flexible restoration options. You no longer need to restore the same work or study authorization you previously held. Eligible applicants can now restore status simply as a visitor. This policy gives more control to individuals whose circumstances have changed. What does this mean for you? If your work permit, study permit, or temporary status has expired, you may still have options. You could now restore your legal status in Canada. Switch to visitor status if work or study eligibility has changed. Avoid unnecessary complications in your immigration journey. Why this matters: one missed deadline used to create major immigration stress. Now IRCC is offering more flexibility and more time to plan your next move. This could mean staying legally in Canada, protecting your future immigration plans, avoiding costly mistakes or unnecessary departures. Time matters. One wrong step after losing status can affect your future applications. Gunness and Associates can confirm your eligibility and help restore your status the right way. Contact Gunness and Associates today before your options run out.